India is a country with a vast territory and many religions. It is said that there are over 1,000 festivals celebrated in India throughout the year. Every festival in India is welcomed with big celebrations and unison of cultures, religions, and much more. Today, we will take you on a journey of reliving this very cultural nostalgia that takes us back to our roots. Marking the beginning of the harvest season, Indians celebrate Makar Sankranti as the sun is passing back into the northern hemisphere, signaling the return of spring to the country. This is a celebration where Indians pray to the sun god Surya, and it is accepted as a special auspicious time. The celebrations associated with Makar Sankranti are known by various names like Bihu in Assam, Maghi Saji in Himachal Pradesh, Sakrat in Haryana, Pongal in Tamil Nadu, Uttarayan in Gujarat, Rajasthan, and many more. The social festivities include singing, dancing, kite flying, bonfires, feasts, but all together as a community.
रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हय्यो हाय हाय रंगी परोड़ आवी खुशियों संगे लावी हर खाए हय्यो हाय हाय आशा की किरणों बिखराए उमंग भी छलकाते मन हर बेदी गुनगुनाए हाय हाय हाय
ये शुभारंभ हो शुभारंभ मंगल बेला आई सपनों की डहरी पे दिल की बाजी शहनाई शहनाई शहनाई
Holi is one of the most internationally popular Hindu festivals that have been celebrated since ancient times. It is celebrated to welcome spring and also is seen as a new beginning where people can release all their inhibitions and start fresh. On this day of Fagun or spring, societal rankings such as caste, gender, age, and status are all eschewed in the spirit of making merry together, and everyone is fair game to be doused with colors in a joyous celebration. This is symbolic of the triumph of good over evil and the ultimate expression to celebrate unison, love, and harmony. The Muslim holy month of fasting and is celebrated during the first 3 days of Shawwal, the 10th month of the Islamic calendar. The Eid prayer is performed by the congregation in an open area such as a field, community center, or mosque. The prayer is then followed by the sermon and a supplication asking for God's forgiveness, mercy, peace, and blessing.
ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा दिल में समझा शाहू का शाह तू अली का दुलारा ख्वाजा मेरे ख्वाजा दिल में समझा शाहू का शाह तू अली का दुलारा
Janmashtami commemorates the earthly appearance of Krishna, who is described in India's sacred writings as God himself. Across India, festivities begin before dawn and extend all day until midnight, the exact moment of the anniversary of Krishna's arrival.
कोई कहे चित चोर, हाँ कोई कहे मस्ती खोर, कोई कहे चित चोर, कोई कहे मस्ती खोर, गोपियों का गोपाल नंद लाला। ओ खबर खबर चारों ओर, इधर उधर मचा शोर, लेके ग्वालों का गैंग मत वाला रे। नंद का लाला रे आला, तुझे छोड़ेगा ना ब्रिजबाला। नंद का लाला रे आला, तुझे छोड़ेगा ना ब्रिजबाला।
Also called Vinayak Chaturthi, is a 10-day festival marking the birth of the elephant-headed deity Ganesha, the god of prosperity and wisdom. The worship begins with much fervor and prana pratishtha, a ritual to invoke life in the idol.
ही धरती हे अंबर तुझे गुण गाती, हे तारे हे वारे तुझे नाम घेती। विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा, गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता। विश्वाचा पालक तू नायक गणांचा, गुणातीत गुणमय तू गुरु ज्ञानदाता। मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया, मोरया रे मोरया रे मोरया रे बाप्पा मोरया।
Very popular festival is particularly celebrated in Bengal, Assam, and other eastern Indian states. Durga Puja celebrates the victory of goddess Durga over the demon king Mahisasur. It begins on the same day as Navratri, a 9-night festival celebrated all across the country. It also celebrates the ultimate feminine divine energy of the universe, Shakti. Diwali or Deepavali is India's largest and the most important festival of the year. The festival gets its name from Avali or row of Deepa or clay lamps that Indians light outside their homes to symbolize the inner spiritual light that protects from darkness. Indians celebrate the return of King Rama to Ayodhya after he defeats the demon king Ravana. Over the centuries, Diwali has become a national festival that's also enjoyed and celebrated by non-Hindu communities, commemorating true secularism and diversity. Every region in India has distinctive traditions for observing this festival. However, among all belief systems, Diwali represents the triumph of good over evil, light over darkness, and wisdom over ignorance.
Christmas, a radiant celebration of Christ's birth, echoes with jingle bells and Santa's joyful generosity. Hearts unite and festive cheer fills the air, embodying love, peace, and togetherness. India is not just a country, it is an emotion woven together by countless cultures, traditions, and festivals. We are not united by borders or maps, but by hearts that beat as one. Here, festivals are not just traditions, they are bridges that bring people closer, reminding us that in every light, in every color, in every prayer, and in every song, we are one.